Question number 3. Find the height of cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. Cuboid આપ્યો છે, right? Base area આપ્યો છે. Base area એટલે કયો એરિયા? જો હું અંડરલાઈન કરું છું, બરાબર? જે આઉટલાઈન કરો ઈ બેઝ એરિયા કહેવાય. What is this area called? Base area. But what which shape it is? It is in the rectangle shape because cuboids are made up of what? Rectangles, 6 different rectangles, right? So base area, that is area of that rectangle, is given first. 180 centimeter square. What other things they have given us? Volume of cuboid. And what is the formula for volume of cuboid? L into B into H is equal to 900 centimeter cube. Can I write like this? Yes. And what is the formula for area of rectangle? Area of rectangle, what is the formula? L into B. So the base area which they have given us, this area which they have given us, can I write L into B? Right? L into B is nothing but what? 180 centimeter square into height. That is what we are supposed to find. Understood? Is equal to 900 centimeter cube. Therefore, H is equal to 900 centimeter cube. This 180 centimeter square, if I take it down, if I take it to other side, it will divide, right? Centimeter square, and from this cube, square will cancel out. 0 and 0 will cancel out. So we will left with 18 ones and 18 fives. So what is the height of the cylinder? 5 centimeters. So lastly, we can write height of the cylinder, height of the cuboid, sorry, not a cylinder, height of the cuboid is 5 centimeters. Understood? Question number 4. A cuboid is of dimension 60 centimeter into 54 centimeter into 30 centimeter. How many small cubes with the side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid? One cuboid is given to you. Its length is given to you. Length is 60 centimeter, breadth is 54 centimeter, and height is 30 centimeter. In this cuboidal box, you are supposed to place these small cubes. નાના ક્યુબ જે છે ને આની અંદર રાખતો જવાનો છે 1 2 3 4 5 6 જેટલા સમા એ આપણે જોશું કેટલા સમા છે, રાઈટ? What is the side of that cube? It is 6 centimeter, and you know cube have all the sides are of equal length. Understood? What you are supposed to find? How many such cubes, how many such small cubes you can place it inside. That means this smaller cubes, how much smaller cubes you can place it inside. So simple, we can divide the volume of the bigger cuboidal box by this smaller cube. You will get number of cubes you want to place inside the cuboid. Understood? It can be solved two ways. One is the lengthier way and one is the shorter way. I am solving before you the shorter way, right? And I will explain to you also the bigger way. So what we are interested to find? Number of cubes that the cuboid will hold. So I can write number of cubes. Number of cubes only. Number of cubes is equal to volume of cuboid that is this one, divided by volume of 1 cube. If we divide the volume of 1 cube, this smaller cube, by this one, okay, no, cuboidal box by this smaller cube, you will get the answer. How? I will solve and show you. So volume of cuboid is L into D into H. And what is the volume of cube? Side into side into side. If it is A, so you can write A cube. So I can also write side cube. Understood? Length is what? 60 into 54 into 30 divided by side is 6 into 6 into 6. 6 ones are 6 tens are 6 ones are 6 nines are 6 ones are 6 fives are 9 fives are 45. 45 into 10, 450 cubes that you can place inside the larger cuboidal box. You can also solve like this. First you are finding the volume of 1 cube. You are also finding the volume of cuboid. Then taking unitary method. Volume, suppose this is 6 into 6 into 6 is 216 centimeter cube. So you will write 216 centimeter cube is equal to 1 cuboid. Therefore, volume of this cuboid is equal to how much cubes? And that will take longer run than this one. Okay, this is the shortest method. Understood? Question number 5. Find the height of the cylinder whose volume is given, and that is 1.54 meter cube. One cylinder is there. You are supposed to find its height. They are interested that we must find height of the cylinder, and for that purpose what they have given us? Volume of it. Any volume આપેલી છે આપણને 1.54 meter cube. And diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. When you see, જ્યારે તમે જો ક્વેશ્ચન માં બે યુનિટ્સ અગર ડિફરન્ટ હોય સેન્ટીમીટર એન્ડ મીટર, first convert it into 1. If you want to convert it into centimeter, convert it into centimeter, or else convert it into meter. Here you can see it is in centimeter. Also it is a diameter. For cylinder, volume of cylinder is, we are interested with the radius, right? So what I will do, diameter is equal to 140 centimeter. Therefore radius will be 140 divided by 2. Formula, right? Is equal to 70 centimeter. Now I want to convert it into meter. So what I will do, divide it by 100. 0 0 will cancel out. So I will left with 7 divided by 10. You can also write 0.7. But why I am writing, you will know. Okay. Now, how to solve this? Similar to question number 1. You know volume of the cylinder. Formula of volume of the cylinder is
pi r square h.
Pi r square h. There is h. What they want from us? Height. You will get the answer. So, I will write therefore for now volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, right? Or I will write the given number. What is given number? What is the volume of the cylinder? They have given us 1.54 meter cube. Understood? Therefore, volume of cylinder is pi r square h. I can write, instead of volume of cylinder, can I write this formula? Yes. 1.54 centimeter cube. Pi, value of pi they have given us? No. So we will take 22 by 7. Radius is equal to 7 by 10. Since it is square, I will take 2 times. 7 by 10 into height is equal to 1.54 meter cube. Understood? 7 and 7 will cancel out. 22 into 7 will be 154 into h divided by 10 into 10 100 is equal to 1.54. Can I write 154 divided by 100? Can I write meter cube? Therefore, h is equal to this 100 which is in division. It will go that side. What it will be? Where it will go? It will go and multiply. Divide by 154 which is in multiplication. Where it will come? Right? Down. And that is meter square. Why meter square? Because there meter into meter will be meter square, right? Meter square and the square from the cube will be cancelled out. 100 ones are and this 100 this 100 will cancel out. 154 and 154 will cancel out. So we will left with height is equal to 1 meter. Understood? Right on. Okay, question number 6. A milk tank is in the form of cylinder. You can see beside your book, right? On the page. It is somewhat like this. It is placed on a truck. Now the tank length of the tank, tank is in the shape of cylinder. If I place it upside down, so what it will become? Length will become what? Definitely height. So nothing but length is nothing but height of the cylinder. That is 7 meter. And radius is given 1.5 meter. Understood? Now we are supposed to find the quantity of milk in liter. Quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. આની અંદર કેટલું દૂધ સમાશે that we are supposed to find out. Now quantity must be in liter. Now measures which they have given us, it is in meter. So first we will find out volume in meter cube, and then there is one formula which we are supposed to keep in mind so that you can convert meter into liter. Understood? Meter cube into liter. And for that purpose we will use volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to what? 5 r square h. 5 they have given us? No. So we will take 22 by 7. R is 1.5 into 1.5 and height is 7. 7 and 7 will cancel out. I know 15 into 15 will be 225. But since there are 2 decimal points, so I will write 2 decimal point from the right side. 1, 2. So our answer will be 2.25, right? 22 into 2.25. On multiplying it, what I will get? 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 2 2s are 4. Again 0 5 4, 0 5 9 4. But 2 decimal points, so here also there will be 2 decimal points. So we will get 49.50. But instead of 50, you can also write 5. Last 0 is not, if you don't write, it's not a problem, right? So it will become 49.5 meter cube. But we are supposed to give them in liter. So formula is 1 meter cube. For 1 meter cube, always it is 1000 liter. How much? 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Therefore 49.5 meter cube, 49.5 meter cube will be how much? We will cross multiply and find the result. 49.5 into 1000 divided by 1, which is not necessary. So 49.5, can I write 495 by 10? Multiply by 1000, right? 0, 0 will cancel out. Now we multiply. We will get 49,500 liter of milk. Understood everyone? Any doubts?
No.